Hi, and welcome to this Spacemaker video tutorial on how to create a new project. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a project from scratch. This will enable you to quickly get off the ground with Spacemaker and start getting value out of the product. More specifically, in this guide, you will learn how to use the project page and start a new project, locating the site, defining the site limit, and ordering surrounding data. So, let's get started. We're beginning this tutorial on the projects page. This is where you can see all of the projects and administer which users have access to them. The projects page is always accessible by clicking the Spacemaker logo in the top left corner. Initiate a new project by clicking plus New Project. Please note that only admins can create new projects. If you are uncertain about which role you have, then go to the Members page. The first thing you will see after clicking on New Project is a Create New Project page. Here you input some initial information for the project. First, select the country the project will be in. Second, you can select a section for the project. We recommend doing this. This is simply putting a folder where the project will be located. Finally, enter the name of the project and click Next. You are now greeted with a search bar where you can search for the site using the map. Here you can enter a town name, an area, or specific address. As you can pan around the map, you don't need to specify an address for your site. Note, in the bottom part of the screen, you can see the steps you need to take. Once your site is located, you can draw the site limit. Doing this will enable Spacemaker to fetch the property boundaries. After this step, choose your accurate site limit from these property boundaries. Be generous in order to ensure all relevant information is available. If you are not happy, then you can click on a polygon and edit it by moving the points. If you click on a point, it will then disappear. Now you can select the relevant property boundaries. The strokes indicate boundaries and you select an area by clicking it and adding it to your selection. To deselect, click on the area again. With the site limit in place, you can order project data. You can see what kind of data is available on the right side. Tick the boxes for what you want to order. The price for the data varies with the area size, which you adjust by moving the points. Please note that if you already own data, you can skip this step. You can also order data at a later stage. Spacemaker is dependent on other providers to get the data, which means the data is not always available right away. Using assets, you can see the status of your orders for surrounding data. We aim to always deliver data in less than 15 minutes. Click on Order Data or Skip to continue. Congratulations! You have just created a Spacemaker project. The first time the project is created, it may take some seconds for the terrain to load. The first time you create a new project, you will also get a new empty site analysis. You are now free to start getting value out of Spacemaker. In the top, you can see a navigation bar. Here you can go to the main modes in the program. Analyze, where you analyze proposals. Design, where you can manually sketch proposals. And Explore, where you can generate proposals. We recommend sketching or generating a few proposals and analysing these to get started. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see project assets, as mentioned earlier. If you click on Data Orders, you can see the status of data if you ordered any data in the beginning. Here, you can also import files by clicking on the import icons. This should cover everything you need to get started. We hope you enjoy Spacemaker.